Have I shared with you the lesson of reading labels? Not just at the grocery store, but in the kitchen. This seems like common sense to most people. Yet, when one is in a hurry or distracted, the important things can be overlooked. Well, pour yourself a glass of wine and put your feet up. This is going to be a doozy. My husband just loves tacos, but he's the only one who eats them in our 3-person household. So, I fry 1 pound of lean beef, add taco seasoning, and freeze single-serve packages. This way, when the craving hits, my husband can heat and eat his favorite meal. One day I must have been distracted or tired, or just plain lazy. I fried up the beef and grabbed the taco seasoning out of the cupboard. I sprinkled it in, stirred and added water. Suddenly, the smell of cinnamon hit me fairly strong. I picked up the taco seasoning and realized I had grabbed the cinnamon and not the taco seasoning. Instead of scrapping the whole pan of beef, I put the cinnamon back in the cabinet. Then I grabbed the taco seasoning, being sure to read the label. I sprinkled the normal amount in, plus a little extra. Without hesitation, I called my husband into the kitchen to make his tacos. I did not tell him what I had done. I sat at the table, sipping a coffee, and watched him build his premium cinnamon tacos. I didn't move for at least 10 minutes, but kept my eye on the back door. I was going to make a run for it if I had to. Yet, my husband came out with his dirty dishes and declared, this was the best batch of tacos I had in a long time. For more original, but true tales, be sure to check out my book, Letters to All Who Listen.